Get ready, because this isn't just another motorcycle review. This is NG Wheels, and today we're diving deep into the world of adventure, reliability, and pure riding joy with the 2026 Yamaha XT200. This isn't a bike for showing off. It's a bike for doing, for exploring, for riders who crave versatility, dependability, and that unmistakable thrill that only a true dual sport machine can deliver. From the moment you lay eyes on the XT200, it's clear that Yamaha designed this motorcycle with intention. The slim, purposeful lines, the high-mounted front fender, and the rugged stance all communicate one thing: readiness. Ready for city streets, gravel roads, or trails you didn't even plan to take. The design doesn't scream attention. It commands respect through its capability and balance. Every curve and panel serves a function, from protecting key components to providing comfort and ergonomics that let you ride all day without fatigue. Mounting the XT200, the first thing you notice is the approachable ergonomics. The seat height is tall enough to provide excellent ground clearance for off-road sections, but low enough to give shorter riders confidence when stopping. Your knees naturally grip the narrow tank, giving you control without effort, and the wide handlebars provide leverage for precise maneuvering. The upright riding position is forgiving yet commanding, perfect for both city commutes and long-distance adventure rides. Underneath the chassis lies the heart of the bike, a 196 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, air-cooled engine designed for smooth, usable power. This isn't about raw speed or high RPM thrills. It's about reliability, versatility, and a power delivery that's predictable in every condition. Whether you're navigating stop-and-go traffic in the city or climbing loose dirt trails, the engine responds smoothly, giving you confidence without overwhelming you. The 5-speed transmission complements the engine perfectly, allowing you to exploit low-end torque for climbing and higher gears for cruising comfortably on open roads. The lightweight chassis is one of the XT200's strongest points. It makes the bike easy to handle in tight urban streets or on technical off-road trails. You can throw it into corners, pivot on a dime, and maintain stability even on uneven surfaces. Yamaha has always emphasized balance and maneuverability, and this bike is no exception. You feel connected to it, like an extension of your body with immediate feedback on every movement and terrain change. Speaking of terrain, the XT200 truly shines when the pavement ends. Its dual sport suspension, with long travel forks up front and a robust rear shock, absorbs bumps, rocks, and rough patches with grace. You can stand on the pegs, shift your weight, and ride with confidence over obstacles that would challenge lesser motorcycles. The high ground clearance and durable frame make it capable of handling gravel roads, dirt paths, and even light trails with surprising ease. Every bump, every rut, every trail twist feels communicated through the bike, letting you anticipate the terrain and react instinctively. In addition to its off-road prowess, the XT200 is a practical motorcycle for everyday use. Fuel efficiency is exceptional, meaning longer rides with fewer stops. Maintenance is straightforward, with easily accessible components and a design that emphasizes durability over complexity. Yamaha's engineering ensures reliability. This is a bike you can depend on for years, whether you're exploring the countryside or commuting through the city. One of the underrated aspects of the XT200 is comfort. The seat is padded just enough to stay supportive over long rides, while the suspension and upright seating keep fatigue low. Even during extended trips, you remain relaxed, focused, and in control. This combination of comfort and capability is rare in a dual sport bike, making the XT200 a true all-rounder. Braking performance is solid, providing smooth and predictable stopping power with its front disc and rear drum setup. It's not high-performance racing brakes, but they are more than sufficient for the bike's weight and intended purpose. Every stop feels controlled and safe, whether on asphalt or loose terrain. Over time, the Yamaha XT200 becomes more than just a mode of transportation. It becomes a companion, a teacher, and an enabler. It teaches riders balance, throttle control, and off-road technique. It encourages exploration, long-distance trips, and the confidence to take roads or trails you've never tried before. This is not just a bike for commuting or casual riding. It's a bike that transforms your approach to motorcycling entirely. The XT200 embodies what dual sport motorcycles are all about: versatility, durability, and engagement. You can ride it to work in the morning, explore a backcountry trail in the afternoon, and cruise a scenic route in the evening. It's a bike that doesn't compromise, and that's why it remains a favorite among adventure enthusiasts and riders seeking a reliable, capable, and fun machine. For riders who value simplicity and function, the XT200 is perfect. No excessive electronics, no confusing features, just a machine designed to perform. Its combination of lightweight, responsive engine and agile handling makes it approachable for beginners while still rewarding for seasoned riders. Every ride teaches something new. Every twist of the throttle strengthens the bond between rider and machine. The XT200's legacy is more than just technical specifications. It's the freedom it offers, the confidence it instills, and the adventures it enables. This is a motorcycle that encourages you to take the road less traveled, to push your limits, and to enjoy the pure thrill of riding. It's not flashy, it's not complicated, but it is undeniably effective. It delivers everything a rider needs, and nothing more. In a world of motorcycles chasing trends, the Yamaha XT200 stands out by staying true to the core principles of dual sport riding. Reliable, versatile, and engaging, it offers an experience that's hard to replicate. Every component is designed with purpose. Every ride is an opportunity to connect with the bike, and every adventure becomes memorable. Whether you're commuting in the city, exploring country roads, or tackling off-road trails, the 2026 Yamaha XT200 provides a balance of performance, comfort, and reliability that few motorcycles in its class can match. Its lightweight design makes it approachable, while its durable construction ensures it can handle whatever the road or trail throws at it. Its simple engine, efficient fuel system, and solid suspension combine to create a bike that's not just fun to ride, but rewarding to own. For NG Wheels, the XT200 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a philosophy. It's the idea that adventure doesn't need to be complicated, that reliability is more valuable than gimmicks, and that every ride should be memorable. It's a machine that brings riders closer to the road, the terrain, and the pure joy of riding. This is a motorcycle that teaches patience, skill, and respect for the terrain. It rewards exploration and inspires confidence, allowing riders of all levels to enjoy the freedom that comes from a dual sport machine. It's perfect for beginners wanting a dependable introduction to off-road riding, as well as experienced riders looking for a versatile bike that can handle city streets and remote trails alike. The Yamaha XT200 doesn't just transport you, it transforms your ride into an experience. Every corner, every trail, every mile becomes a lesson, a thrill, and a memory. Its balance of simplicity, performance, and practicality ensures that it's not just a bike for one kind of rider, it's a bike for every rider who craves freedom and adventure. If you want a machine that delivers versatility without compromise, comfort without excess, and excitement without intimidation, the 2026 Yamaha XT200 is that machine. For NG Wheels, this is more than a review. It's a celebration of what motorcycling should feel like: raw, engaging, and unforgettable. Disclaimer: some specifications and performance details mentioned are based on historical Yamaha XT200 data and AI-assisted projections for the 2026 model and may not reflect official Yamaha specifications or final release details.